folks, we are at peak variety time at this time of year and really at peak capacity for the amount of plants that we have. There are plants everywhere. Turned a new mulch area up on the upper terrace there, full of some herbs, some berries, some perennials, driveways full of natives and perennials. Herbs are everywhere, vegetables are in there, 30 different types of tomatoes, 30 different types of peppers, eggplant, squash, cucumber, we've got it all. Flowers as well, hummingbird must-haves for butterflies, so perennials, milkweed. If there's something that you've been waiting for to come ready on our availability list and you do not see it, please give us a call. We truly are at our peak and there's lots to choose from. Most everything's outside. New greenhouse opens up, so all but outside there too. We're open Monday through Saturday, 9 to 5. Looking forward to serving you, making this the best growing season yet. As always, we look forward to seeing you at the farm.